Hello, I am just going to show you a quick tutorial on Storyboard Creator and how we can create a 5-frame story. So if you take a look at my webpage, which is at sites.google.com/student.dodea.edu/Huggins Creativity, it will take you to my homepage, and under the drop box on the top left corner you will be able to select 5-frame. Under that you will see the directions on how to create a 5-frame. So 5 frames basically include 5 slides, and on those slides each slide has a different task. So in your first slide you're going to establish character, setting, location, and time. The second slide you'll create a situation with possibilities of what might happen. On the third slide, involve the characters in that specific situation. Fourth slide, build to a probable outcome or outcomes. And the fifth slide is going to have a logical but a surprising ending. To access the Storyboard Creator, you're going to go to storyboardthat.com. Once you click on storyboardthat.com, you can go ahead and log in with your username and password. When you log in, you can simply click on Create a Storyboard, but one area that you may be a little bit confused on, if I click on the storyboard layout and select Traditional Storyboard, which has 6 frames, it still only comes up with 3 frames. But to change your settings of frames, you can simply click on Add Cells, and this will allow you to add 5 frames. If you would like to have a title page, you can simply add 6 times 1, which will update. Then you'll click Update Storyboard, which will give you all 6 frames to work with. A few other things to take note on. If you don't see a specific setting that you have in mind under Town, you can select a different theme under the white menu box. There's a gray menu box to make your choices, so you can simply click on these and drag onto your page. If you want to change your characters, there's several different options that are offered under characters. And just have fun with it. Alright, if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And happy 5-frame planning. See you later.